What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the channel. Today we are doing something that I honestly didn't see myself doing for quite a while. We are tearing down the Escalade. So it turns out this thing's a giant pile of shit. So kind of got boned on the deal. Kind of not really. I didn't pay too much for it, but I paid $3 grand for this thing. Now it looks hella sick, right? Like all stancy, all broed out, 35s, no lift, you know, all that cool shit. It's got an LQ9. But here's the main issue. This thing looks beat to shit. Now I have done most of these really deeper scratches because we took this to get our Christmas tree. Oh yeah, now you can see those. But, you know that, oh yeah, ugh. That wasn't the main issue that I had with it. So obviously that looks like dookie, okay? Now, it's got a lot of wear. You know, everything's kind of just beat to shit. But the biggest issue I have with this truck, when you start digging into everything, it is all theft recovery. Can you see that from there? No? Here, hold on. Yeah, see that? It says fucking warranty, void if removed. See all these yellow marks? I know it's shaky, I'm on my cell phone. Yellow marks everywhere. Everywhere. Right there, right there. Sorry, I'm not good at aiming with it zoomed in. But look, yellow marks everywhere. Even the fucking goddamn display here had yellow marks on it. Everything. This thing had yellow on it that I had to get off. The covers, the steering wheel, everything in here. As soon as I tore it apart, ooh, that's bright, hold on. Everything in here literally is theft recovery. So this shit box has God knows how many miles on it. I don't know. The scratches and all the fucked up cladding, because the cladding's chipped and chunked in a bunch of other places, it all does not look consistent to me for a 140,000 mile Escalade. 140,000 mile Escalade, that isn't massive scratches everywhere and chunking fucking cladding and yellowed headlights that I can't get out. I've cut and buffed these multiple times. It's like faded inside the headlight, like all the way inside. I don't know. So other things that kind of set me off to this, take in mind it's got a clean title, was this little issue. See the frame? It's a little hard to see from that angle. Look at that. Both sides of the frame are bent, and it's got aftermarket control arms and an aftermarket panhard bar. So, see these nice spoon adjustable control arms? Like, sick. I'm super glad it's got those. But the question is, why does it have those? It was never lowered. You can tell everything is factory on this truck. It's still got the factory blown air shocks on the rear. Everything is completely original. Nothing has been updated on it. Stock tie rod, stock ball joints, stock wheel bearings. Whole front end's falling apart. Yet, control arms. So that tells me this thing got rear-ended really, really hard. Maybe when it got stolen. I don't know. But it's been smashed. It's been tore apart. It's been rebuilt. I don't want it anymore. I'm tired of it. I don't want my wife driving around our baby in a beat to shit Escalade when I have the means to build her nicer shit. So I'm going to set up a phone on time lapse here and I'm going to rip this thing apart. So obviously it does have the LQ9. It's got the high performance motor. The Denali's of these years, which is commonly mistaken, actually only come with an LQ4. So I'm ripping the LQ9, the 4L65, the all-wheel drive case, taking that whole unit out, dropping it in the 90,000 mile Denali that I have. So a guy I know ended up getting this for next to nothing. It was traded in with a blown tranny. He stole the motor out of it, assuming it was an LQ9. It wasn't. And traded it to me for a Chevy Dana 60. Clean title, 90,000 miles, just absolutely gorgeous. Here, actually cut to a picture of it now. As you guys can tell, super sick rig. Just needs a motor, just needs a trans. I have those. So, we're going to start tearing this thing apart. And I think it's the greatest thing in the world watching all the Instagram fanboys throw a fit that I'm cutting apart something nice, but it's not that nice. Like, you guys need higher standards because this thing's a giant pile of shit. So, sit back, relax. I'll try to make this as enjoyable as possible and not just have an entire time-lapse video of me tearing apart an Escalade. And we're going to see a pretty cool build come out of this. Alright, day one. We are, what time is it? 9:18, and I started that at 8:39, so, I don't know, 30 minutes? We are 30 minutes into the teardown, and my Eskimo is leaving me in her Victoria's Secret jammies. Spent a lot of money on those, don't fuck them up.
Okay.
Toodles.
Bye, YouTube.
Bye-bye. So there's where we're at. It's late, my head hurts, and I don't want to plug in that dumb loud-ass air compressor. So, have not pulled the bumper yet, obviously. Just a few bolts. Can't get to the other ones because my tires are too fucking big. All down there. So, those are going to be pulled tomorrow along with the wheels, and the truck's going to be set on jack stands. I already got all my fender bolts pulled. Everything here. The cross braces. Inner doors, all that's fucking pulled. Then I need to pull my 2 core support bolts, which are 2 18 millimeters, somewhere here and here. We have radiator undone. There. Hose is loose, ready to fall the fuck off. Intake's off, blah, blah, blah. Hood's gone, headlights grilled. So tomorrow, I'm gonna pull this, pull these. Core support will come off, fenders will come off because I have one more hidden bolt on the fenders that I can't get to from here. I'm going to go through, I'm going to keep this wiring harness attached to the motor, make my life a little easier. So basically, you do that. I wonder if I can do this while holding a phone. Pull. Oh yeah. So you want to snap that. Oh dude, I had it. Oh, that's perfect. Look at that. That's the smoothest camera angle you guys have seen this whole video. Probably the smoothest one you're going to see this whole video. Dude, get off of there. No! Ah. All right. Bye. I hate you. So, basically, pop these right here. Fuse box comes up. Yep, dropped some shit, broke some shit. Yep, broke it. Right there. Don't do that. Also, don't work in temperatures near 0 because all your plastic bits break. And it does look like someone's been in here before. Notice, no bolt. No bolt. Someone has been in this. So, pop that up. You go underneath. Each one of these has a 7mm bolt. You loosen those 7mm bolts, the bolts do not come out. As you drive that bolt out, it slowly kind of pulls the whole plug out. So then, once that's out, you just give it a little wiggle, boom, harnesses come out. So, those will all be pulled. Set this fuse box aside, and that'll allow the whole engine harness, training harness is all attached, to come out with it. And it should be a super simple pull, like, undo the T-case, pull my motor mounts. Why is this blurring out? Is it because it's trying to focus on my hand? Wet up, focus. Woo! So, pull the motor mounts, pull the tranny mount, pull the T-case off, and it should just come right the fuck off once I pull the fuel lines and coolant lines and unplug the harness. Should be simple and easy. I'm just pulling all of this to make my life much easier because unless you have tried to pull a motor and a trans out of a truck that's like normal height up and over a core support, it's a fucking bitch. Whereas I can just have this gone and just go. Since I'm ripping this whole thing apart anyways, it really doesn't make sense for me to fight it. This motherfucker's bright. In case you guys haven't noticed, like I'm filming with my cellular telephone here. See that? Oh, dude, that's some scruff going. I'm not supposed to have that anymore. So yeah, whole video, it's gonna be iPhone shot, iPhone edited. Tired of fighting my GoPro. My bills are almost paid off, so I'm really not wanting to spend a bunch of money on camera gear. So, no new GoPro yet. My new MacBook Pro I got blew up on me. I know, everything I own blows up, but it literally blew up. It actually overheated and blew up, just like everything else I have. So, iPhone edited, iPhone shot, 0 fucks. I feel that, you know, content quality is more important than, well, quality of the video. So a little shaky, a little messy, whatever. Hopefully I can entertain you guys enough to deal with it. Especially since my camera's all smudgy. I don't take enough selfies. Oh yeah, that's way better. So, I'm gonna wrap this up for now. Probably gonna shoot some more tomorrow. All right, fuckers, signing out till tomorrow. I have work in the morning. Ah, you thought I was done. I have one more thing for you. Dude, it's like nicer out here than it is in my garage. Yeah, no, that's kind of fucked up. It's like really fucking cold in here. So, one more thing before I go. Since I'm planning on working on this tomorrow and editing and filming for you guys tomorrow, I want to evacuate the AC. Now, I want to pull this core support. This is not the responsible way to do this, mind you. But since I'm not going to be in here the rest of the night, I feel that it's okay. And I would do it anyways. So, not recommending this. I just break this loose, and it starts leaking everywhere, and I run away and try not to breathe it. So, I don't recommend it. But if you need to get your AC evacuated, all right, peace out, YouTube. We're done.